My sisters in your 40s, turning 40, in your 40s, how are you doing? How are you really doing? How are you feeling? We are in Q4, the last quarter of 2024. We're in a new month, a new season. We are in the fall season. How are you? I know many of us might be dwelling on the things we did not get to achieve, the goals, those vision boards, and all the things that you wanted to achieve before now, before October, and for some reason it just did not happen. My tip for you: focus on the things that you achieved, the small wins, and celebrate those wins. Try not to dwell on the past. Try not to dwell on the negativity, the negative vibes. Try not to beat up yourself. I think we're going through so much mentally, emotionally, with this life transition in the 40s era. So just be kind to yourself. Rest when you need to rest. Pause when you need to pause. Refocus when you need to refocus. Restart if you need to hit that restart button to say, you know what? Plan A isn't working, so you have to move to plan B. You have to do something else. You have to shift. You have to pivot. Don't be afraid to shift. Don't be afraid to pivot, because our minds are not the same, I think, in our 20s, in our 30s compared to our 40s. So just be kind to yourself. Take it one day at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 month at a time, right? Celebrate what you have achieved. Focus on those goals that you have achieved, and all the other goals and visions that you had, you didn't get to achieve those. Just put them over. Put them over. Put them back on the to-do list for this month, for this quarter. And you create a plan on how you're gonna achieve them. If it not work out, then that's just it. That's just life these days, because we have to understand that we have gotten the opportunity to live to see another day, another month, another quarter. There are so many people who did not make it to see this far in 2024, but yet here you are, still in 2024. Yes. So look at things like that and look at the positive aspects of your life. Leave the negatives behind. Yes. And tell me, I want to know, how are you? How are you feeling? Because we all have our good days or bad days, or low moments or happy moments, and yeah, miserable times. Not to mention that part with the fluctuations of the hormones, right? So yeah, for me, I take it one day at a time. I take things in bite-sized pieces these days, because I realize I'm at a different level in life. I'm transitioning and I'm embracing and I'm getting used to this new era, this new transition of life. So I would advise for you to do the same. Take it easy on yourself. Be kind to yourself. Take it one day at a time. Talk later.